In this video, you are going to see how to change the PowerPoint slide size to A4, letter or legal. Let us go to Design, go to Slide Size, then go to this option Custom Slide Size. You can make it portrait or landscape. In my case, I am going to use the portrait, and here you will find various sizes. Let us choose the option Letter Paper. Click on OK. Let us click on this option Maximize. Then the slide size will be legal. Again, go to slide size, go to custom slide size and choose this option A3 and click on OK. Then here you will see I have changed the slide size to A3. Again, go to slide size, custom slide size. You can use A4, click on OK, click on maximize. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.